Fast, stylish, spacious, versatile. There's so much to highlight about the 2020 Jaguar F-Pace, like how it has 4 powertrain options, including this range-topping SVR with a powertrain that propels it to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. I'm Liz Janelle with SUVs.com, by the way. Thank you so much for watching, and big thanks to Jaguar Land Rover of Cherry Hill for having me by. This highly powerful SVR offers tons of style, but you definitely expect that given the starting price of over 80 grand. But the normal F-Pace only costs about half that, so keep that in mind. Your base F-Pace will still have this 10-inch touchscreen, a spacious interior with lots of room for 5 and solid cargo space. It also features a panoramic glass roof that makes it feel even more spacious. There's optional electric recline for the rear seat, and other luxe additions that are available and that come in the higher trims include full leather seating, a head-up display, interactive driver display, nav, ambient lighting, and heated and cooled front seats. The F-Pace offered in 7 different trim levels, and there's 2 special edition models. There are 2 turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engines, a supercharged 3-liter V6, and the monster of a supercharged 5-liter V8 that you'll find in this SVR turns out a whopping 550 horsepower. All engines are powerful though, and they're standard all-wheel drive. Rating time now, I just love the exterior of this F-Pace, but especially in this awesome sporty SVR trim, so I'll rate that at an 8.5. I'll rate the interior at an 8. It could have more luxe features as standard, but it's nice and spacious. As for performance, I'll also rate that at an 8. Love the powertrain variety and the SVR's blinding fast engine, though it is pricey. Fuel economy figures not so great with this SVR, with it getting 16 miles per gallon city and 21 highway. Numbers better with the less potent engines, but a 6.5 there. And overall value, I'll rate at a 7.5. And that results in an SUVs.com deal score of 77 out of 100. And I want to know what you guys think about this F-Pace, but especially in this awesome range-topping SVR trim. Leave a comment below.